came off a can. Okay. So this song I wrote many years ago, which I have a lot of songs that I wrote many years ago. But I'll tell a little story behind it. I know a lot of my shows I tell stories, and sometimes I feel weird that I tell stories about songs because people are like, you know, does it eat into the time? And I'm like, I don't know, but I'm just like, it's different. We're all here, it's just, you know, we're tight together. I want to tell some stories about songs, and that's okay, right? It just makes it a little different. It makes it a little different. I don't go into robot mode, you know? That's me. I know, don't look at me, don't judge me. I know it's me, I know I'm doing it. It's not your fault. It's not your fault, this is my fault, 100%. I have a loose, dirty jack down there. So many years ago, I was 21 years old, so that was 4,000 years ago. I was 21, and I met this girl and I fell in love with her. And it was a real kind of fast romance, really, really fast. And that's how it happens sometimes. And I fell in love with her, and you know, she was a little bit older than me, not like Harold and Maude older, but she was a little bit older. This crowd knows what Harold and Maude, right? This is the only time that I can ever perform and say Harold and Maude, and everybody be like, oh yeah, that was a great fucking movie. Most of the time people are like, I don't know what that who's Harold and Maude? Is that like a band for Brooklyn? And I called my mother. I was so excited that I had asked her to marry me, you know, because 21, I knew everything. And I called my mother and I said, Mom, I'm getting married. And she was like, you're an idiot. She's like, you just signed a record deal. You're just about to go on the road and start touring and make your first record. Like, this is not the right time to do this. And I was like, really? She's like, no, this is gonna end in a disaster. This is just not a good idea. And I got so mad, I got so pissed. And I said, if you could only see the way she loves me, then maybe you would understand. And I hung up the phone, and I wrote a song about it. And I'm so happy that I did. So really, technically, by connection, I can thank my mother, which I'm sure she lives in South Beach, and she can fucking hear me saying this right now, somehow. Listen to your mother. It's true, folks. It's true. She was 100% right. It was literally like a couch on fire at 32,000 feet. Like, it went down, that relationship failed so fast. It was like the Carl Lewis of failure. It was so quick. It was unbelievable. But I wrote a song. Because at that time in my life, that's how my life is. Like, I write songs about where I am in my life. Like, currently, I'm madly in love with my wife. I have a beautiful son. I have a beautiful daughter. Like, my life could not get any better. I just couldn't. It couldn't, you know? And so I write about that. That's the joy I write about, you know? Anyway, so this is the song I wrote for my mother. If you could only see the way she loves me, maybe you would understand why I feel this way about our love and what I must do. If you could only see how good her eyes can be when she says she loves me. But you got your reason, and you got your lies, and you got your manipulation. You Say you love, but you don't give love, but you wrote. If you could only see the way she loves me, maybe you would understand why I feel this way about caught up what I must do. If you could only see how blue her eyes can be when she says she loves me. You guys remember the song, right? She's her own less travel. Soon after this unravel, gotta take a little day to keep what you love. It's what you gotta do. Say you love, but you don't keep love, but you stitching out your own something to start there. Say you love the way you stand your heart when you can. If you could only see the way she loves me, maybe you would understand why I feel this way about love, what I must do. If you could only see how blue her eyes can be when she says she loves me. Yeah, say you love, but you don't keep love, but you say you love the way you stand in your heart when you can. If you could only see the way she loves me, maybe you would understand why I feel this way about our love, what I must do. If you could only see how blue her eyes can be when she says she loves me.